here we are, October 1st already, all you pumpkin spice lovers. Welcome to October, and welcome to the next episode of the DOPScast. We have a special episode today, meeting with Kristen, to talk about what she does here at the office, and a special one question that came in from one of our dealerships. So to start off, Kristen, how are you today?
I'm great.
I'm doing well, thank you. Why don't you tell everybody first, quick intro, what you do here, who you are, a little bit about yourself.
I'm Kristen. I am receptionist / office manager here at Roswell, Georgia headquarters of Dealer.
It's good to have you here. So I gotta tell you, so for everybody that doesn't know, what you feel for the day, what's one of the most important things you feel that you do throughout the day?
Well, I really like my job, and I do feel like one of the most important things I do is help interact with all of our customers that call in. I like to talk to everyone here in the office, make sure they have all their needs met, they're happy with their work environment, and just chit-chat during the day, make sure everyone's having a good one.
Well, I'll tell you guys out there, she's not kidding. If there's something that anyone needs, she's on it. I mean, donuts for a dealership, done. It doesn't matter what it is. She's on top of it. So it makes our life really easy for everything we do for both the dev team, sales, customer success, everybody that's here in the office. It works out really, really well. I got a couple questions here that were sent in from some of the people in DealerOps that wanted me to ask. So a few of those is cultural impact they wanted to know. So I guess, obviously you're obviously the first impression that basically every visitor comes in and they see. Your office is literally right in front,
yes.
Right at the front door. What kind of impression do you want to leave, is your goal to leave with each and every customer visitor that comes into DealerOps?
Well, I mean, I like everyone to think that DealerOps is a welcoming place and company, which I know that we are, and just have a good experience when they come in. And
I do think you do a great job. So we just recently had our 20th anniversary.
Yes.
That we were at. So that was
a lot of fun.
It was a lot of fun, but it was a huge undertaking. So for those of you that saw last time, we basically had the whole company here into the office. So it was a packed house, lots to do, lots to organize. I felt that it could have ran smoother than it did. A lot of the stuff, how hard was that for you to set that up for everybody? Because I know on top of doing that, you were still doing your day-to-day business and day-to-day things that you needed to do that took care of all of us, because business didn't stop just because we were here.
Business didn't stop. Well, of course, there's a bunch of us here that helped with that, but like what I did mostly was just, make sure that the office was here and inviting, lots of the foods and snacks, the outings that we did a company bowling day, which was really fun, and we also had some dinners and some karaoke late at night, and just, in and out, but I really enjoyed having everybody in the office. I wish we could all get together more often. DealerOps is such a great place to work with, and it's fun when all the people from everywhere else are here, so we can have some time together and fun.
Light you around, fun questions.
Okay.
First, coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Coffee for you?
Coffee,
I'm
black
definitely
coffee.
Tea. It's got to be tea for sure. For me, so you're coffee.
Black coffee.
What do you put in? Hazelnut?
No, I am just regular straight, and probably about 4 cups in the morning almost.
Well, for all that you do all day, I'm sure 4
Yeah.
cups, probably takes 4 cups to get all what you've done. What is your most used work app that you use?
Teams.
Teams is the most used word. That is an everyday thing. What's the most word used? Fun?
Fun.
Yeah, personal. Like what do you do?
Personal,
Is it
fun.
Facebook? Or
TikTok.
Oh, TikTok. There you go. All right, that's good. Well, thank you so much. Next, we have a question from one of our clients that sent it in. And his question is, during the end of the month, specifically the F&I department, our office and warranty rooms has a heck of a time to find all the clients that that bought certain warranties, wheel and tire, and ancillary products from F&I to get those submitted. Can DealerOps make that easy, and how does it help? So the answer to that is yes, indeed. So what DealerOps can do for you, what we do, is in our F&I reporting, we not only separate reserves, warranties, gap insurance, and maintenance, and back end, we take that other back end ancillary products and we separate those out by product. So at the end of each month, our office managers that do these sorts of things in their stores, they click on the wheel and tire, key replacement, dent and ding, whatever it may be, and it gives you a list within whatever date range you choose of every vehicle and deal that has that on it. They match it up, submit it, and they're done. And it takes what has taken a few of them a few hours to do and sort out, a matter of seconds. So that came from Steve in Florida. So Steve, we've got a hat and a water bottle on the way to you. Thanks so much for your question. And if anyone else has any questions they'd like to send in, please do. And if we use it live on the DealerOps, we'll send you some swag as well. Thanks so much. Have a big October, and we look forward to talking to you next month.